We have done adjectives and the 6 different kinds. Now, I'll give you few sentences. We'll identify what each kind is. So, from the sentence, from the word, should be able to identify what kind of adjective I have given. Okay? So, pick out the adjective and state their kind. Pick out. Pick out the adjectives. The adjectives pick out the adjectives and state their kind. So, what kind you have to state. All right? Pick out the adjectives and state their kind. I have to read the sentences very carefully. There are 12 mangoes on the tree. There are 12. There are 12 mangoes on the tree. What kind of place is this? What kind? What kind of place is this? The old woman crossed the road alone. The old woman crossed the road. The cupboard is full of toys. The cupboard is full of toys. I had a little rice. I had a little rice. Little rice. This room is mine. This room is mine. He has very few friends. He has very few friends. Radha is a beautiful girl. Radha is a beautiful girl. several people visited the sick man. Visited the sick man. Whose photograph is that? Whose? Whose photograph? Is that? Now, I've got 10 sentences here. Now we have to say what kind of adjectives. Kind. So we have to say their kind, we have to say, okay? So, fun, two, in the first place, first we are going to identify the adjectives here. Pick out the adjectives and state what kind. There are 12 mangoes. How many? There are 12. Okay. When you say 12, what is it normally? You say it's an interrogative. There are 12 mangoes. When you say number, then you say there are 12 mangoes on the tree. So we are talking about is the number. So adjective of number. So we are talking about adjective of number. Adjective of number. There are 12 mangoes. Next we have is what kind of place is this? What kind? What tells us? It's an what tells. The word what tells us. It's an interrogative adjective. It's an interrogative adjective. Okay? What kind? Next we say the old woman crossed the road. Quality. What kind of woman? Old. Adjective of quality. So the third one is quality. Adjective of quality. The cupboard is full of toys. The cupboard is full. The word full. Now what does it say? Quantity. So you have adjective of quantity. Adjective of quantity. I had a little rice. Little. I had a little rice. Again, adjective of quantity. Okay? This room is mine. This room. You are this room. Demonstrative. This room is mine. This pen is mine. So it is a demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective. Okay? Then they say, he has very few friends. He has very few friends. That says adjective of number. You have adjective of number. Next. Radha is a beautiful girl. Radha is a beautiful girl. Adjective of quality. Adjective of quality. Several people visited the sick man. Several. Several people visited the, again, adjective of number. Several. Adjective of number. Whose photograph is that? Whose? That is, whose photograph? Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Now, look at all this. We have gone through all the 6 kinds of adjectives, and from the sentence we were able to identify what kind of adjective each sentence is. There are 12 mangoes on the tree. The 12 says adjective of number, 12. What kind of place is this? What kind? Question. Interrogative adjective. The old woman crossed the road alone. What kind of woman? Old. Adjective of quality. The cupboard is full of toys. Adjective of quantity. How many books? Full. I had a little rice. Not much. Again, adjective of quantity. How much? How much? Little, more, less, a little. This room is mine. 6th one. Demonstrative adjective. This room is mine. He has very few friends. Adjective of number, few. Radha is a beautiful girl. Adjective of quality. Several people visited sick man. The sick man. Adjective of number. How many people? Several. Whose photograph is that? Interrogative adjective. So, first of all, 12, what, old, full, little, this, few, beautiful, several, whose. First, identify the adjectives, then you will be able to say what kind. So, that's what we did. We identified the adjectives, we circled them all, and then we wrote out what kind